Hello, Brenda. I'm Jess Briner. I am Emily's special education teacher. Nice to meet you.
I'm the general education teacher. My name's Miss Love.
Nice to meet you. Okay, and today we're just going to go over Emily's, this is her annual IEP case conference. So as for strengths for Emily, she's a very nice and pleasant girl. I have not heard many complaints about, from other teachers. She seems to really enjoy school. She's very social with peers especially. She shows a lot of strength in language arts, and I have noticed that she enjoys the assignments a lot in that class. Now we have, let's start here. We have some data, but we'll come back to that after we talk. Let's talk about where Emily is right now. She receives services for specific learning disabilities for language arts and math skills. Emily participates in a 6th grade language arts curriculum. She's in a co-teaching class. She receives services in that class. And she's also receiving reading services from the reading lab with a direct instruction program. For writing, she has accommodations and services for that. She participates in 6th grade general education math co-taught class as well. She did not pass the I-STEP, which is some of the data. This is, one of the reasons that we have her in these, and another one of the progress monitoring data that we've used is the STAR reading comprehension. Let's see, acuity and different math progress monitoring data, but we want to see her do better on that I-STEP in the 6th grade. So we think with these services that will help her succeed in the classroom. Functionally, Emily's a very independent girl. She does well following her schedule. She is good about following school rules. She is very capable of completing schoolwork during school time, but she has some difficulty bringing homework back to school. She does get along with teachers and peers very well. So we're gonna do we have 3 goals set for Emily. And one of those is a reading comprehension goal. And what Emily has issues with is, putting these details, going back and recalling details from passages and using them to help her out later on. And so we have some goals set for that. We're wanting her to be able to use fiction and nonfiction grade level passages, read those, find information, make inferences, and support conclusions, and we will progress monitor that. And then another goal we have is math processing. She does fine in math, but if it is a math problem that has a lot of steps to solve, she kind of has some issues with that, which she will receive accommodations, use of a calculator and non-calculator situations, calculator on certain parts of the I-STEP. So what we're going to try to do for that goal is in 36 weeks, when she's given a multi-step grade level problem involving whole numbers, fractions, and decimals, Emily will solve the problem using the correct operation and strategy with 70% accuracy. And so we will be progress monitoring that as well. And then for the last goal, that's a writing goal. She's not quite performing at grade level in writing. She tends to leave out details, and I think that she has a hard time comprehending with the comprehension. So, that kind of goes in with the reading. When the reading improves, we will probably see improvement on the writing. Okay. She has a little difficulty with spelling and punctuation, but she just needs a lot of repetition to retain the information. And she does benefit from extended time, you know, during assignments and tests, so we will try that. And so our goal for writing is, you know, when given a prompt, she'll construct a 3-paragraph essay that gives the details that address that writing. And we'll probably do that 4 or 5 times. So yes, as far as accommodations, she gets extended time in math, language arts, science, social studies for tests. She gets her calculator during non-calculator sessions. She can read aloud to herself, and she can have tests read aloud.
Okay.
Is there anything, I kind of probably went too fast there, but is there anything that you want to touch on?
No, actually. Sounds good.
All right, what about you?
No, sounds good as long as you're good with it.
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
All right.
Have a great day. That was so much harder than I thought it would be.